21. 20 in a clip, 1 in a head. Run up if you want dead, you hear that?
22.
Bumbo clot.
22.
Yeah, anytime you see me on road, you know the code. Anytime you see me on road, run up if you want, run up. Fucking up. Big up Dante, rest in peace, my G.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification button. Check out the WhatsApp group, the WhatsApp crew. We have a WhatsApp group, it's going good. So check it out. I still don't have anything on my Patreon page. I'm a little bit flustered, but I'll get there. Arizona boss, big up. Yo, what is really going on in Jamaica? Look at the screen in front of you. You have the top tier, the leader of the Gorilla Gang. Yo, I not even did know say you have a gang named Gorilla Gang. I really see something in the paper one time when them say this youth here last year or 2020 get catch with gun over Naggos head, and him is a part of the top tier member of the Gorilla Gang. But there is no way I could have believed say you have a gang in a Jamaica, Naggos head, name Gorilla Gang. Now, when you see the dude with the matic, like me say a Razza that, and apparently police go in him house and take out one big machine and them lock up somebody over there. But rumor of it on the street said that you to Razza, him kinda pop up and him name a pop up in enough things all over Portmore and outside of Portmore. The Gorilla Gang, cause me never really know say it's a real gang. Me for real. Cause I don't know what kind of gang that. But anyways, him a go on with enough things. From what my source a tell me. Cause me see something pop up with him with some other people that talk about it and thing. And yeah, that youth here, he was a big time politician more than anything else. You understand? Him did there for him, but him don't know for hustle. Them are not hustler. Them are more like taker. You understand? And more like enforcer. But it seems like where my lord did say, him have certain political ties within the community or the country. So that and that make him able to jump around. But you know how Jamaica stay. After a while, the politician give them up. And then police come and kill them. Cause that youth here, Razza, Macrae, him not that old. A young youth, him a 39, probably 40. And him could have spent him time do more positive things. But what him do, he must spend him time I do pure fuckery and killing and them blood clotting there in the island. So, after a while, you know the politician get tired of them. And then the politician send the police upon them. But that youth here, may I tell you the truth, him a one real tough cookie. And it seemed like him a the leader around the gorilla gang out of Naggos. But you know say Naggos come from out of Portmore there. And me no want to sound crazy, but one of the worst part of Portmore. It poorer than wait name there than Waterford. Waterford are uptown compared to Naggos. See? So me nah stay too long for that one here. But yo, gorilla gang, Razza, be careful. It's the police got your house or the house them where you go. Arrest people and them thing there, your family, your cousin them. And your name a ring like a bell. And be careful of the dirty politician them, my youth, before them kill you. Try do something positive for your community. And stop walk with machine and this and that. Cause I don't know what kind of war I fight. What I fight for? Wanna make some money. And money you wanna for make. Violence. When you say if you have the money, you have the money. If you don't have the violence, you are dead and go to prison. You understand? But, like I said, I don't stay too long on that one here. Razza, gorilla gang, out of Naggos head. Him name a ring like a bell. You understand? Your name a ring like a bell. So my youth, put it down. Put down the violence. Put down the whatnot. And do something positive. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you subscribe, leave a comment. Yo, before I go, I think I'm gonna do a video about Shabdan. Because I have some reservations. I'm gonna speak how I feel. My name is Countryman, I'm out.